Every trader loves winning trades, but let's be honest, the losses hurt way more than the wins feel good. If you've ever blown an account, sat there staring at your charts, thinking, why do I even bother? You're not actually alone. I have also been there. Every professional trader has been there also. But here is the truth. Losses are not your enemy. The real enemy is how you react to them. In this video brought to you by Coinlenity, I'm going to break down step by step how to deal with trading losses emotionally, financially, and strategically so they stop destroying your confidence and start becoming the reason you grow as a trader. And Coinlenity is a leading online edtech company dedicated to regionalizing financial education. Our mission is to make finance accessible and understandable for all, regardless of background or experience, through comprehensive courses on forex, stocks, investing, money management, and financial planning. We empower our clients with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the financial world with ease. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to deal with losses in trading. But before we dive into this topic, I will need you to take a little bit of your time to like, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification button so you can get notified whenever we upload new educational content. Do remember that you can earn reward prizes like cash rewards, trading bonuses, personalized trading plan consultation with a mentor, and so on by engaging with our educational content. So the more you engage with our educational content, the more you can earn reward prizes. So to learn more about our rewards program, you can click on the link in the description area below. So how do you deal with losses in trading? Number one is by accepting the reality of losses. Now, first things first, you cannot escape losses. I know that sounds obvious, but a lot of traders secretly believe that there is some magical system, indicator, or signal service that will let them win every time. That's a fantasy. Even the world's best traders, hedge funds, prop firm guys trading with billions of dollars still lose trades every single day. Think about this. If you take 100 trades, even with a 60% win rate, you're still losing 40 trades. That's almost half. The difference between a beginner who quits and a pro who thrives isn't that the pro avoid losses, is that they expect them, plan for them, and manage them. Once you stop seeing losses as failures and start seeing them as a part of the business, the entire game changes for you. Now, the second step is risk management. I can't stress this enough. Risk management is what keeps you alive in the market. Now, here are three golden rules of risk management. Number one is position sizing. Now, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. If you have $1,000 account, that means that you're only risking $10 to $20 per trade. It's small, I know, but it's actually survivable. Blow up protection comes first. So this can keep you from blowing up your account on the long run. Number two is stop loss discipline. Now, always know where you are wrong before you enter. Don't move your stop loss out of fear. Don't widen it because you hope the market will turn around. Our hope is not a strategy in the market. Number three is risk reward ratio. Now, only take trades where the risk reward ratio is at least 2 to 3 times greater than the risk. Why? Because even if you win less than half your trades, you can still be profitable. Imagine losing 5 trades in a row, then one good trade wipes out all those losses and still leaves you in profit. That's the power of smart risk reward setups. Moving on, the third step is emotional control. Now, let's talk about emotions because this is where most traders destroy themselves. A losing trade often triggers frustration, fear, or what's known as revenge trading, where you try to make back your losses immediately by taking impulsive trades. That's like going to the casino, losing a hand, and doubling your bets to win it back. 9 times out of 10, it ends even worse. Here's the mindset shift. Instead of asking, why did the market do this to me? Start asking, did I follow my rules? If you followed your rules and still lost, that's fine. That's probability. No strategy wins 100% of the time. If you broke your rules, that's the real problem. The market isn't your enemy. Lack of discipline is. Trading is like a professional sport. A basketball player will miss shots. A boxer will get hit. A trader takes losses. But the pros don't let one miss or one punch end their career. They reset and keep executing their plan. So before we move on to the next step, if you want to continue learning more trading concepts like this, you can take up our 5-day free training available on our platform. Now, this free training is designed in such a way to guide you through the simple to advanced concepts in trading. So if you're interested in taking up the 5-day free training, you can click on the link in the description area below. Now, the first step is learning from your losses. Here's where the magic happens. Every trade you take should be recorded. That is, you should write it down or journal it. You should write down why you entered the trade, where you placed your stop and target, the outcome of the trade, and most importantly, what you are feeling when taking the trade. Then review after taking the trade. Ask yourself, was this a good trade that didn't work out? Or was this a bad trade where I broke my rules? Good losses are the cost of doing business. They are like paying rent for the opportunity to trade. Bad losses caused by revenge trading, over leveraging, or ignoring your system are preventable. Journaling shines a spotlight on those mistakes so you stop repeating them. Finally, let's talk about protecting your mindset, which is the fifth step on the list. Now, because at the end of the day, trading isn't just numbers, it's psychology. After a losing streak, the best thing you can sometimes do is to step away, close the chat, take a walk, go to the gym, or reset. Because if you come back to the market frustrated or desperate, you are setting yourself up for more losses. Remember, trading is not about one trade or even one week, it's about the long game. Think in terms of months, quarters, years. If you can manage your losses, control your emotions, and stay consistent, you will outlast 90% of traders who quit after blowing up. So the next time you take a loss, do not panic. Don't double down. Don't quit. Review it, learn from it, and move forward. That's how the pros trade. So guys, moving on, in the next section of this video, I'll be taking you through the personal learning area to talk about the courses section of the personal learning area. So over here is the Coin Learnitis platform. This is our homepage. We are going to be talking about the course section of the personal learning area here. So to do that, what I need to do is to log into my account. Now, if you don't have an account and you want to sign up, what you need to do is to come over here and you click on this diamond button here, which will take you to the sign up page where you can sign up. So if you don't know how to, or if you don't know the steps to take to sign up, you can click in the link in the description below where you will see a link showing you how to sign up to the Coin Learnitis platform. So for the essence of this video, I'm going to be logging into my personal account to show you the courses available in the personal learning area. So what I need to do is to come over here, click on login, and wait for that to load. Now, after clicking on the login button in the previous page, that should bring you to this page. So over here, if you sign up with an email account, what you need to do is to come over here and put the email and the password you used to sign up and click on login. Now, for me, I signed up using Google. So what I need to do is to come over here and click on continue with Google. So clicking on that is going to bring up this dialog box here, and that I think that will require me to select the Google account I sign up with. So I will select this one and give that time to load. So after selecting my Google account in the previous page, that logged me into my account, and as you can see, this is my dashboard. This is the personal learning area dashboard, right? So this is where we're going to be talking about the courses section of the personal learning area. Now, to get to the courses section of the personal learning area, what you need to do is to come over here where it says courses. As you can see, the this icon here and the right up here which says courses, and click on that and give that time to load. Now, after clicking on the courses icon in the previous page, that should bring you to this page. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you are going to see the list of our courses. So as you can see, we have two types of courses over here at CoinLearning. We have the signature courses and the premium courses, right? So if you want to continue learning more concepts like this one taught in this educational video, you can take up any of our educational courses available on our platform. These courses are designed in a way to guide you through the beginner to advanced concept in trading. So if you're interested in taking up any of our courses, you can click on the description area below to purchase any of our courses. Now, getting back to the course, we have, like I said, we have the signature and premium course, right? So what is the signature course? Now, these are beginner-friendly courses. So if you're a beginner coming into the market, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to go about it, these courses are actually tailored for you. Now, the premium courses are more advanced courses, though you can also start from here. Like, let's say if you have uh one thing about the premium courses is that there are premium courses, like I said, so they are packed with more lessons. So there can be too much for you as a beginner if you're just starting off. But if you have an idea of what forex is already, you can actually opt for the premium courses, right? Especially for the ultimate forex trading course. But if you are someone new to the market, you don't have any idea of what the forex market is, you don't have any experience yet, I would advise you go for the signature courses that are kind of pocket friendly, and they have we kind of start from the basics here. We teach from the basics up to the intermediate level before you can then transition to the premium courses. So let's say you want to get this course here, this forex market foundation course. What you need to do is click on it and give that time to load. Now, after clicking on the course, it should bring you to this page. Now, this is the course page. On this page, you get to know more about the course, like the topic course taught in the course, how many lessons were in the course. As you can see, we have 23 lessons here. These are the kind of topics taught in the course, and also the price for the course. Now, if you want to enroll, you want to take the course, you want to get the course, what you need to do is come over here and you click on take this course button and give that time to load. Now, after clicking on take the course button in the previous page, that should bring you to this page. So what you need to do here is come over here and you click on add to cart and give that time to load. Now, after clicking on the add to cart button in the previous page, that should bring you to this page. What you need to do once you're here is to come over here and you click on proceed to checkout. So after clicking on proceed to checkout in the previous page, that should bring you to this page where you need to fill in these boxes like your email address, your country or region, first name, last name, address, city, state, phone number, and that's it. So once you do that, what you need to do is to click on this to make your payment either by transfer or you can use your ATM card, whichever payment option you choose to. So once you do that, you then click on place another, and that should get you the course on the personal learning area. So so guys, that'll be all for this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification button so you can get notified whenever we upload new educational content. My name is Emmanuel from Coin Learning T, and I will see you all in the next video.